Yeah, they do.
Oh, I forgot to record all that. Elizabeth has to pee a lot. There was more to it, but whatever. Mobile, Alabama. I wasn't going to film this, but I guess I am now. Not only does it match my current outfit, but all of this bathroom's, I don't know, stuff is black. Sink, fucking urinal, which you can only see the handle of. Goddamn black toilet. A little sexier than a deep south bathroom should be, in my opinion. But I'm probably gonna come back.
Like, she'll do that for like 45 minutes, just like,
Find something.
okay, what happened? But people are out there with food,
so
like,
small,
like a chip,
so
you get her
young.
like to go wherever they're eager to go. She loves people, she loves kids, hates other dogs.
Yep. Really?
Yeah, she's awful with other dogs. I know,
Good
it's good
job.
run back.
Goddamn.
We pulled into town 2.5 hours ago. We just walked anywhere Elizabeth had to pee, which you saw in the last clip. We went to this bar called Alchemy, and the people were extraordinarily nice and good. And if you're from Glens Falls, you'll understand what I mean when I say they were the good bar food type of people. Not the bad bar food type of people, the good bar food type of people. They were excellent. We spoke for a long time. We had a couple of rounds, and then we asked for a good place to eat, a good, cheap place to eat. They recommended a place here in Mobile. Is it Mobile? We'll call it Mobile. Called Roosters. If you're in Mobile, don't go fucking anywhere else to eat. Go to Roosters. I am a man who has eaten a lot of tacos in his life. I had the spicy steak taco, and it was the greatest fucking taco I've ever had. And I don't mean that as a guy who's like, it was the greatest, I'm gonna go review taco places for the next 6 months. It was the greatest taco I've ever had in my life. To the point where I sort of doubted a little bit of my soul. It was the greatest taco I've ever had. Mobile, Alabama has the nicest people, the greatest tacos, and from what I've seen wandering around, a fairly decent art scene that I never suspected. If you're wandering, or if you're looking for a place to wander to, Mobile fucking Alabama. But don't stay here long enough to ruin it. This town is beautiful. I might just stay here. Mobile, Alabama. It's, I don't know. It's later at some point in the night. Mobile, Alabama, still. I still think it's a great city. A great town. But that thing has washed over me, that existential, anywhere is everywhere sort of feeling. There was a small part of me where when we got here and I started walking around, I thought maybe this is the place where I might be okay. And I understand that, like, I'm from the US, and the US is big. And we have a system of rules that are commonly understood. And if I travel the world, maybe I'll find something more suited to me, like France or Spain or Norway or Japan. All of which I want to see. But when I got here to Mobile, something felt right. But now after a few drinks, and now that I'm sitting here on the porch, a couple stories about one of the main strips, isn't this just like anywhere else? Isn't this just me waiting? I guess we'll just keep driving and see what happens.
So you're all sitting here touching knees, trying to take a shit, trying to do your morning,
Yeah.
and you know people are passing newspapers, so it's like, hey, yep, could be worse.
I remember I was a Boy Scout for a long time, and every summer camp, that's what it was like, man. Fucking a lot of dudes just hanging out in a trough, fucking.
My boys, I'm trying to tell them, like, dude, it's not a big deal. Just deal with it.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta shit in front of 9 other people.
You
That's
just fucking deal with it. Like, hey,
oh
man, shit yourself. One or the other.
That's right. What's more important to you, your dignity or shitting yourself?
Exactly. All right, man. Well, enjoy your shit.
Thanks.
He's missing out. No, I know it's like a complaint. Not yet. You have to. You have to. This is so good. This that place is the shithole. You would think that's the shit. Oh, I know.
I mean, it's beautiful on the outside, but
Yeah.
ugly on the inside.
I mean, even on the inside it's nice, but the people that own it and were running it was just, they tried to turn it into a strip club, and then they had like, okay, Saturday nights down here, get a little dog. A dog. 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 Let's go this way. Come on. So I can make you see. I'm sorry to have to ask you. I know you guys are traveling, but I figured you would be gone.
We're in New Orleans. My tire got cut. 2 tires in 1 trip so far. It's fucking very hot. It's not the best start to a day. On top of that, there's these 2 asshole girls across the street posing in front of this house and having a photo session or some shit. New Orleans has not been my favorite so far. Honey, now that we're in New Orleans, what's your favorite part about New Orleans so far? We're at Wal-Mart, waiting for the fucking tire. I think this is the best part so far. We have air conditioning, so I think that automatically makes it the best, right?
seriously in the sign over there, get your famous flashing resurrection. That means they probably serve it to you in like a neon shot glass.
Yeah. And it probably costs $16.
It's 15.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't even look. That was a guess.
These corny ass drinks, man. Everybody's like,
I feel like look at my big head in comparison to you. This looks like just an empty lot, but we recently listened to a podcast that there was like, I don't know, a time slip back in the 60s, and these people ended up in some fucking saloon and were tried to, I don't know, the people who inhabited it tried to keep them there, some weird crazy shit, some paranormal story. So we found out the address and came to look, and there's a big lot here. It's nice though. It's a nice shitty parking lot. We're in New Orleans and it's been very fucking hot. Day 2, wandering around, there's shit everywhere. I just got swindled out of $15. Well, $5. I guess I swindled him for 15. I don't know how this works. Math has never been my strong suit. We're in a tunnel. Oh, it's hot out here now. And my phone just melted. We made it to New Orleans, day 2 now. Tires fixed. It's busy. Immediate thoughts on the city are there's definitely charming bits, but I'm not convinced of a lot of the jewel sort of aspect of the place. I don't know. I'm gonna give it another day or so and then see if I can articulate a little better how I feel about it. There's lots to do, and if you have money, I can see how it would be a very dangerous place to live. The homeless issue is definitely a real thing here. You can't go 10 feet. But when you walk anywhere outside of the French Quarter area, you can see that poverty is the biggest social issue in this city. It's no joke.
Today, listen to the sound they play. They sound good. The talent of New Orleans today. Listen to the sound they play.
New Orleans is a city that's very unfair to the people that live here. It is, it's all about tourism and, honestly, the homeless people here are pretty aggressive, which gets annoying, but makes sense because there's a lot of money being thrown around on stupid shit. So why not get a piece of the pie? The only things I like about New Orleans is like food. I like the bayou, and I like Red Truck Gallery, which if you ever go to New Orleans, Go to the Red Truck Gallery. It's on 940 Royal Street. It's got some of my favorite artists in it. And then knowledge can fuck yourself because you're weird and you don't make any sense.
Also, I chafed a lot walking around this shitty 6 blocks of fucking consumers bullshit. The pizza here was at best fair pizza. The bartenders were all very nice. All of the bartenders were very nice. I don't have anything good to say about the city. We didn't film much here because there's not much to film except for walking in front of stores and I don't know, we went to some art galleries today and there's some cool art galleries, but really, if I never come back here again, I'm not going to give one single shit. If I never go back to Mobile, Alabama, I'm going to be bummed out. But don't you go there, because nothing is cool there. Everything sucks in Mobile. Don't ever go to Mobile. But forward my mail then.
You're too young to drink.
You're a good looking woman.